All right, welcome back. So in this activity, this is another challenge activity from code.org. It's lesson 23, collisions, and we're dealing with bounciness. So it says, so far, bounce off has made sprites bounce away from other objects as fast as they bounce into them. In the real world, almost everything slows down just a little bit when it bounces off something else. You can use the new bounciness block to tell your sprite, how much to slow down or speed up when it bounces off something else. So read the code below and then run the program to see the behavior of the basketball and the pool ball. Use the new block to set the bounciness of your soccer ball. Run the code again and see how the sprite bounces off the floor. Okay, so everything else is done here. And we have the wood floor, and we have basketball bounce off wood, soccer ball bounce off wood, and pool ball bounce off wood. And then we've got the velocities. And then we've got bounciness for basketball and the pool ball, so 0.8, 0.4. But we do not have anything for the soccer ball. So let's take a look and watch how these interact. By the way, really cool block to use, bounciness. So we can see this makes total sense. You know, the pool ball is not going to bounce very much. Basketball is going to bounce pretty good. And so what we need to do is affect the soccer ball here, because we can see the soccer ball is just continuing to bounce pretty much the same every time. So we're going to go ahead, just drag this out here for the soccer ball. Now, we currently have the basketball's 0.8, 0.4. So for the soccer ball, I feel like it's not as bouncy as the basketball, but it's more bouncy than the pool ball. And I don't think it tells us what to set it to. I'm going to set this to 0.6, and it is a point number. You can see 0.4, 0.8. I'm going to set it 0.6 in between these, and we'll just kind of see what happens. So now they both bounce, and now the basketball is more bouncy than the soccer ball, which I feel should be the way it is. If you want to change that, you absolutely can. You can change the bounciness there, but that's kind of how basketball on a basketball court should bounce a little more, I think, than the soccer ball. And so that's how you change the bounciness. Really cool block, really helpful, and hopefully that helps you with your coding. Good luck.